page 159 in your book, we have a cow skull. Now this is a completely arbitrary illustration, but it's a cool thing to know how to draw. Skulls are cool in general. Doesn't really matter what they're of, humans or cows. So we're going to draw it. Now we're going to learn how to draw a cow skull. Step 1. Start with a circle. Step 2. Add an oval overlapping underneath the circle. Step 3. Add a rectangle, skinny and long. Step 4. Erase the inside. Step 5. Add small squares at the top. Also chop the corners at the bottom of the rectangle. Step 6. Connect the outer rim. Step 7. Erase the insides. Step 8. Add squares where the horns go. Also create the triangle eye shape at either side of the skull. Step 9. Add curved horns. Make sure to round all corner points and add a half circle in the eyes. Also add nostrils using a W shape. Step 10. Shade and add fun extras like cracks or barbed wire.